Carl, and welcome back to Adventures in Camping. Working on the campsite, base camp, some more. I am putting some of these concrete pavers down that I bought, and I'm going to level those out. Right now, basic leveling to the eye. I'll probably bring a level out later. I didn't bring one with me. But, see, I put a layer of sand down, and then I put that on top of it. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. That goes there nicely. See how this fits in. Is this too much for you? I hope not. Hang in there. There's more. You have no idea how heavy black locust is. Now, yeah, I didn't quite do that the right direction, did I? Now, I'm just putting one in now to kind of get an idea, because I still want to put another section of these pavers right over here. Ooh. Ooh, that looks very, very good. I've decided that I need to put a wall behind this to prevent the wind from cooling off the coals and from blowing embers all over the place. But you know what? I don't think you want to watch me dig. I don't know, maybe some of you all are masochists and want to watch me dig. I'm going to rob you of that joy. Okay, let's get some dirt in here. You're probably asking, why are you leaving it so high? Well, when I do a Dutch oven video, you'll probably understand why. Be patient, grasshopper. I think it's time for the big shovel. I'm hard-headed, but I'm not stupid. Well, sometimes I'm stupid. We'll let that settle some. I guess what my wife said when she married me. I guess I can settle. All right. Actually, she didn't say that. At least not that I could hear. So I shouldn't say I don't know that she said that. How's that? Is that better? The things that I say to you folks That rake does not want to stand. Excuse me. Sorry. It's all right. That'll be edited out. Or will it? All right. Wondering. Oh yeah, baby. Blacksmith hammer does it all the time. And so I'm sure some of you say, well, what are you going to do about that gaping hole? Are you going to put concrete block in there, Carl? I don't know. I have something else in mind. Will probably hurt me to pick up. I guess I can pick it up. Let's put a smaller rock right in here. It has pretty colors in it. So tell me, is it marble or is it granite? You know, the old saying is, don't take marble for granite. Darr! Ah, by George, I think that'll do it. All right. All right, I think I'm going to let things set for a while.